the Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about ChatGPT Go. So I'm on OpenAI website here, and so ChatGPT Go is now available worldwide. So if you guys want to check this article out, the link will be down below. So this was published on January 16th. Today is January 20th when I'm recording this video here. So yeah, let's get into this video here. So it says here, introducing ChatGPT Go now available worldwide. So that is really cool. So it's a good way to get ChatGPT. So let's go into this out. Says here in August 2025, we introduced ChatGPT Go in India as a low-cost subscription designed to expand access to ChatGPT's most popular features and help more people use advanced AI in their daily life. So this was announced back in August of last year, and it was only available in India for $5 a month. So don't know if the price is still the same in India or if it's $8 everywhere. So yeah, I know it's $8 globally for the ChatGPT Go plan. It's $8 a month, but I know in India, first got it last year, it was $5 a month. So yeah. Since then, ChatGPT Go has rolled out to 170 additional countries, making it our fastest growing plan and among the most affordable AI subscription globally. In markets where Go has been available, we have seen strong adoption and regular everyday use for tasks like reading, learning, image creation, and problem solving. This early momentum helped inform our decision to make ChatGPT Go available globally. Starting January 16th, ChatGPT Go is rolling out everywhere. ChatGPT is available in the US. Go is available for $8 per month. Okay? So not bad. So if you guys want to get like a paid ChatGPT plan, y'all guys check out that Go plan for $8 a month. So that's pretty cool. It says with this launch, ChatGPT now offers 3 subscription tiers globally. And they are ChatGPT Go, which is the cheapest one at $8 per month. ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month. Or ChatGPT Pro is $200 per month. And this is US pricing. And Go pricing is localized in some markets. You have 3 plans to choose from there. So y'all guys can pick the plan that is right for you. So yeah. What you'll get with ChatGPT Go. ChatGPT Go is designed for people who want expanded access to our latest model, GPT 5.2 Instant, at a lower price point. More messages, more uploads, and more image creation. With ChatGPT Go, you get 10 times more messages, file uploads, and image creation than the free tier. So you can keep chatting with no limits on GPT 5.2 and GPT 5.2 Instant. Longer memory and context window, so ChatGPT can remember more helpful details about you over time. This now sits alongside our 2 existing consumer subscription plans, ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT Pro. ChatGPT Plus is designed for work that requires deeper reasoning, like writing and editing documents, learning and research, or data analyst. It offers expanded access to our most advanced models, including GPT 5.2 thinking, along with the flexibility to choose legacy models and use our coding agent, Codex. Compared to Go, Plus includes higher limits for messages, file uploads, memory, and context. So ChatGPT can remember more details from past conversations and support longer, more continuous workflows. ChatGPT Pro is built for AI-powered users pushing the limits of advanced intelligence. It offers full access to our most powerful model, GPT 5.2 Pro, along with maximum memory and context and early previews of our newest features. So it's pretty cool. That's $200 a month there for the Pro plan. So if you guys got the cash to get that, go for it if you guys want to. Supporting accessibility with ads. We plan to begin testing ads in the free tier and ChatGPT Go in the US soon. Ads support our commitment to making AI accessible to everyone by helping us keep ChatGPT available at free and affordable price points. ChatGPT Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise will remain ad-free. So, yeah, and you guys can learn more about it here and all that. And you guys can compare different plans by clicking that right there, or I will have a link down below. So, yeah. So, ChatGPT Go is now available worldwide for $8 a month. So, that's very affordable. And so, if you guys want to get like a paid subscription to ChatGPT but don't want to pay a whole lot of money for it, ChatGPT Go is worth checking out. And you guys can compare different plans like that to see what plan's right for you. Also, just to recap on the plans, they have 3 of the main plans for like regular customers. So they also have the free tier, which you have limits with that. ChatGPT Go is $8 per month. ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month, and ChatGPT Pro is $200 per month. So yeah, pick the plan that's right for you, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.